Hi everybody, good evening, good morning mga mga guys. Ayan guys, mag-ano na naman tayo guys, no? Mag-harvest tayo guys, no? So anyway, mag-harvest tayo guys, kaya dami na guys, no? Ang dami, oh. So nakita niyo naman yan guys, oh. Ang daming bunga ba? Puyosog, no? Nahinog na siya guys. So mag-harvest tayo guys, oh. Na mukingking ang kanyang bunga. Tanawa ba guys, oh? Mukingking ang kanyang bunga guys, no? So, where is my scissor by the way? Ayan mga may guys. Ang daming bunga, uy. Daming sili pa lang ito na isa, ha? Ayan, mag-harvest tayo sa ating garden. Hinog na siya guys, no? Hey! Alice! Can you please give me a scissor? I'll bring her in the kitchen. Can you please give me a scissor? I need a scissor guys, no? So, dito lang guys. So, madami-dami na, no? May mga talong tayo guys, oh. So, kuha lang tayo ng, ano, no? Ng gunting. Here, Nak! Give me a scissor here. Panggunting guys. 6:08 na ng gabi, no? Mag-harvest tayo. Hi baby, come here. I need a scissor please. Okay. Hi baby. Okay, come here. Let's go.
I didn't know that starting over.
Thank you.
Up.
Well, eat it. If it's food, eat it. Okay. So, ayan ang ating tomato, guys. Nakailang na tayo, no? Harvest na tayo ngayon. Ang dami na namang chili. Awara ba na? Nangahinog na halata na siya. Kabisi ni Inday, oh. Hindi na na-harvest ang sili, no? So, panggupitin natin, guys, no? Awara ba? Go over there. Ang daming laman. Pinagpit na natin, no? Sus, oh. Diba? Pak na pak ang ating sili.
Yes. See. Hi, baby. See. Oh wow, Mama. It's a pretty garden.
Yeah, it is pretty garden.
And earlier when I saw the garden yesterday, I'm like, wow, this is huge. Because this is going in there. Why is there a hole in it? That's weird. But yeah, Mom, this is bad news.
Why?
There was something eating that.
It's dry. I need water now. Oh. Ano guys, sili?
What?
Guys, panggupitin natin, no? Guys, yan. Chanon. Yay, ang dami na naman, no? Dami na naman bunga mga guys, no? magpo pang sinigang. Masarap to siya sinigang, guys. Maano ba,
I'm growing some strawberries. Just put the seeds in there.
Mag-utan tao sigit. Ay, naku, ti. Dali, ti. Dali, daapay ka ng kuan, oh. Daay sili, oh. Daay talong. Talong. Di na talong. Damok bunga niya ako. Sili. Daay talong. Daay talong. Oh, ayan, oh. Talong. Alis, matusok. Matinggil yahan. Kamang-kamang ka niya. O, pag-garden kita mo. Ay, naku. Lamig kayo. Lamig yung presko.
What is that?
Tanawar ba ni?
Mom, there's tomatoes over here.
Ha?
There's tomatoes over here.
Wait a minute, nak.
Give
Dito
me
sa Alis. I'm doing this here. Unya na. Alice.
What?
Just wait a little. Go, Crimson.
I'll get it.
Come on. Si Alice po nag-harvest. Di ako garden nun puhon. Dali, ti pag-garden diha. Tubigig adlaw-adlaw. It's a big one. Be careful of the,
Being careful.
Don't, please. Alright, good job. Mga kamatis. Salaming kamatis din, oh. Dali, anak.
Run all the way down there. That's already done.
Where?
And it's little.
Okay, that one also, oh, the yellow one.
This one?
Get that one, yes.
Why? It's not done yet.
Ato ang gamay dito, oh,
We're not
nagganang,
done yet.
ha?
Not done yet.
Take it out. They'll be done soon.
Look at Ma.
Alright. Oh, whatever, just leave it that one. Ato sa bintana, kaji. Sagit-sagit ang gamay. Bintana, nagsagit-sagit. Hala, nangalata ng aking sili, oh. Tanawara ba ni, oh? Na?
There's more. There's 4 more.
4 more? Alright, grab it.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, dali.
1,
Careful, gentle, dude. Good job.
2,
Para tayo pa here. Si Alice ang harvest ng kamatis. Dapat rin ako.
3, 4. Perfect. They're red. Mommy, can I get that one? It's about
Where?
to die. That plant right there.
What is that? This one, oh, it's ready. It'll be ready soon.
What is that?
One more, oh. Grab one more there. See that? It's the yellow one.
The yellow ones are not done yet.
I'll be fine. They'll be ready soon.
My hands are white. Why are my hands white?
I think because you're American. What question is that?
No, look.
Oh, that's from tomato. Nakit ko no yung kamay niya, white. Langan mo yung brown.
I'm gonna get this plant.
No! What are you doing? No, that's not ready yet.
It's ready.
No, it's not.
This one.
Down.
I'm not getting it.
It's not ready.
I know. That's why I didn't got it. Oh, Mama, these ones.
That one's small, not ready.
No, I'm talking about.
Don't get that
this
thing
one,
that's
that
not ready
one.
yet.
No, this one.
This one is jalapeno. It's ready, oh. If you don't be careful in your mouth, you're gonna taste this jalapeno, huh?
Excuse me, Mom.
Honey, I'm doing here. Hawa, oh. Okay, ang dami namang hinog. Ato, nasa na ba ni, oy? Pag hindi mo nagsuka diha, kay daghan sila, puro mudagay, mudugay baya siya, o i-freezer. O uti, i-freezer, bitaw rin ako, tinako iso, naghimo gani ko ganang, ano sa niya, akong gibutangan siya, o ganang, naghimo kong soy sauce, kanang, toyo pa niya, butangan ako siya, sili. Oh, diba? Gibutangan ako sa sili ang tuyo. Napog ko'y ahang na tuyo. Napog ko'y hang na suka. Pwede na eh. Kaya na gining magkugi ka no. Ako'y halupino no. Pag nagkugi dyan ka no, lami dyan magkugi ba kay. Damo dyan kag maharbis. Lami dyan yung presko. No? Sige, nagsagit ang kong gamay. Tuduan ko sa ating sagit. Ang palang tinggil liha kung alisin ba?
A lemon.
Don't do that. Tanawa na akong talong guys eh. Oh, dara guys. Agoy, nahinog naman eh. Dara tayo.
Dancing baby!
Ayan. Oh, talong na to guys. Ito may matanggal guys. Tayo guys, lugay matanggal.
What are you doing with that?
It's ready.
Let me do it.
No.
Let me get it.
No, I
No,
cannot
let me grab
get
it off the
it.
ground.
What's the big cat?
Scissors.
Hi.
Oh, the scissors.
Oh, it's ready. Talong.
Hi guys. Okay, so there's this one that's done. Mom, do the what is it called? The squash? Is it squash? The purple?
Oh, what?
That? What is it called?
Eggplant.
One of the eggplants are done.
Yeah.
Right there.
This one only have 2 more nak, oh. But this one is not done yet. That one is not done yet.
That is done.
Takam ni. Oh,
Now
this
I want
one.
to cut.
This one is not done yet. Maybe
Yeah,
this one.
it is.
Not yet. Oh, the small, oh. Taka ni.
Doesn't matter if it's.
Taka ako bungol. Is there tomatoes? More? About the other one
I
there?
don't see none.
Angie just said hi, Alice.
Hi.
How about your strawberry there? What's going on?
Strawberry. Nothing. That one. That's dead.
Just get the yellow one, oh.
Fine.
Over there. The tomato. The yellow. Come on.
Excuse me. This one?
Yeah. Oo, siguro sa sige siya. Kinamos
Done.
pinto. Tanaw sa mga. Gusto po
You
magawas,
also want
oy.
to cut this one?
No, that's not done yet.
Which one?
Hold on.
Done?
Yeah.
Sure.
Oh, you stop cutting there. There, get up the water, nak. Don't step my chili there.
I cut myself. I cut myself.
Alright, good job. Okay, come on.
Here's the scissors. I'm gonna water the garden, guys.
Go get a water. I'm gonna show you. Come on, I'm gonna show them.
I got a tree. Pine tree.
Okay, hurry up.
Right here.
Dali. Yes. Aray ko gipo. Diyos ko. Ayan ang ating harvest. Ayan, pag-garden na diha ti Gigi. Kay, oh, tanawa, oh. Presko. Galing sa garden. Oh, di ba? At tamis-tamis yung presko, no? Iba talaga siya sa store. Yung aking tomato, no? Ibang-iba sa store. Tamis siya kayo. Chili and tomato. And asa na yung talong ko? Yung talong, guys. Hindi ko pa kinuha. Madaming talong, pero ito lang kinuha ko kasi isa, ready na yun. Hindi is dalawa, no? Pero ito, ako lang yung kakain ng talong, no? So, ayan. Palayaon ako. Ban. Talong, guys. Ako kayo. American dako. Magsinigang jud ko, eh. Mag sinigang jud ko ugma ani. Kay lami ng sinigang. Ay lami ng sinigang na ay sili ba? Ay lami. Mahibog naman ko sa garden eh. Pag garden na diha uy kay damo dihag ka ng pag dako ka dihag yuta na tam naman ba. Tanawa pa ni akong garden uno. Tawag nito box lang ni siya box. Gamay ra ni kayo ang taon. Pero takaram nag tubig ni mataani oy. Just water all of it nak.
I did. I don't want to touch the leaf. You can't touch the leaf.
Oo te.
Oh, there's one done.
Gusto na ako kamunggay sunod no. Pa winter na kami dito.
Mama, there's
1 month na lang ang summer. What's that? Strawberry?
Good. I'm gonna eat it. Want it?
No, thank you. Ere. 1 month na
sour.
lang. Paano na to? Patapos na tong aking garden. Okay, 1 month na lang ang summer dito, no? We're gonna harvest also the potato nak. Ito, potato, oh. Lambroto na nako itong potato. Eh, this one, oh, potato.
Where?
This one, the big one.
So I want to harvest it?
Not right now. Soon, maybe, before the summer. Okay po. Before the, winter.
Mama,
Ha?
look it. Guys, look. I used to love it.
Don't do that. Oy. Be careful on the ha. Nastra. Pag-garden niya after J kay tapos ang sarap mag-ano kung pwede nga lang magtanim ako ng malunggay, no? Hopefully next year malunggay. Gusto ko malunggay talaga ay. Ito kasi pag winter kasi namamatay talaga siya lahat ng mano. Oo kasi nag-i-snow kasi pero pag may ano ka may depende kasi pero pag may greenhouse ka
Yeah, Mom's gonna make
yung
a
may
greenhouse.
yung may ano ba lagyan mo ng init pag winter pwede siya pero depende kasi some of my friend ba dito na tanim talaga ng malunggay ba nangamatay sa kanila so ang mahal pa naman ng ano
Is it gone?
ang mahal ng maliit na malunggay nasa ano 100 ba 5,000 5,000 sa maliit na paso.
These boxes, right?
No, thank you.
Boxes across the street.
Ha?
Boxes across the street.
Go get the boxes. Yeah, I need that one nak. Lana ay ganang ipanglabog. Wait, no. Ha? Can you get the garbage can?
I'm gonna go get those boxes.
Naay ipanglabog oh, mag-garden ko niyang hapon sakto maintain ang yuta. Oo, maganda yan.
Wanna get the garbage can so I can go to boxes?
Ay, nako si Alice, mamasura na pod. Noon sa may bataan ni ay. Naay basura gilabog. Silang, now. Wait minute. Just get a garbage can. Alice, just garbage can. Ikaw ha, magsigira pag pamasura ha. Sa Alice, guys, tanawa oh. Ito ay basura ang silingan oh na. Tanawa na to, guys. Puntahan natin, guys. May gilabog mo siya. Ibutang libre ba? Libre. Hindi may ilabog sa basura, guys, no? Ganun lang sila, oh. Yeah. Puntahan natin, tapos natin magtubig, no? Hindi nila nilalagay sa basura, guys. Nilalagay lang nila sa labas pag libre ba. So, kung gusto mo lang, ilagay mo lang sa labas. Pag ano ba, pag ayaw mo na, ilagay mo sa labas, libre, ilagay mo ng free, ganun. Hindi kagaya sa ibang state na talagang kakalkalin mo siya sa basura. Dito sa amin, hindi ganun. Alright.
Call me when you grab those boxes.
Okay. Alright, come on, we can look. Put crimson inside first. Let's go. Put crimson inside first and we can look the boxes.
Guys, this one out here.
Yeah, I know, but out inside because we gonna go. Tanawa ra pa niya akong, diba, pag garden diha ate J, kay pagtanom og kamunggay, ganas, diba? Pak na pak, colorful ang aking, colorful ang aking na-harvest karon. So, karon mamasura mi tara alis. Nak. Dali mamasura ta. Let's go. Come here. Nak, come here. Basura. Ayan guys, basura guys. Ay kilabog ang kapitbahay guys. Dali nak. Alisin. Upang ako sa alis guys, basura mi. Tara guys. Tara guys. Ayan. Pre yan, pre. Alice! Let's go! Ayan, Siya na ay microwave, Kilabog, Microwave, guys, kilabog. Naapoy mga anayan, microwave. Apoy mga boxes, Asan mas Alice, Wato na to si Alice. Hi, how you doing? Good, how are you? Follows the dog. Yep. Asan mas Alice? Yan guys, may printer din guys. May printer din. Tara na. Masuras kordapya, Dali. Come here. No. Tanaw lang ta. Damo nang wetag.
Mom, watch. I can jump over this weed. Watch. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Dali na.
First time jumping over that weed.
Dali. I guess
More it gets bigger,
masurat
the more I
guys.
jump over it.
Let's see, masurat pa guys. Okay. Ayan, may microwave, kilabog. Printer din guys. Printer.
Even printers.
I don't think supposed to work,
Printer is this.
May printer, paspuro ko na po.
We should get these in.
Ha?
We have to get all these boxes.